Okay, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to add cards into your videos. Cards are very important. They help you get more views on a video. They help you, if you're doing a collaboration, you can add a card of that video into your video. Okay, so you go from your studio, you choose the video you want to use, and then you click on cards right over here. Once card pops up, okay, then you choose where you want to add the card. So let's say I want to add a card right over here. What I just do is you go here, you click this button over here. You can add a video, you can add playlist, okay, you can do so many things. So let's say I want to add a card showing like this video. I click on it, I click create card, and it's as simple as that. So what's going to happen is that when the video is playing, we're going to let this video play. When it's playing, when it gets to the point when the card is supposed to show up, and bang, bang, it shows up. And that is pretty much it. Other things that you can do, you can also add links. So let's say that for me, I have a link to my blog. I can just come here, I can add the link to my blog, which is for my hair channel, Discovery Natural. So you can see I'm adding that right over there, and just click next, and bang. Okay, well, if it's recognized, it will show. But so something like that. Okay, you can also add promote a channel. So if there's a channel that you want to promote, for example, I want to promote my hair channel. You see, I can click it right over here, and it keeps track of things that you've already done in the past. So you just create card, and what happens? The same thing when you're playing through, and it's gonna show up. And once it shows up, people can click on that card. So this is very useful. This is very helpful, and I hope this helped you. If it does, feel free to leave me a comment, and I love you guys. Feel free to share this video, because guess what? Sharing is caring. Love you. Bye.